Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the details of this car, the DONGFENG Forthing T5 EVO. It is the new model available on Croatian market, and let me go through the details. Now on the front you can see a beautiful design, very sporty. It is a sporty SUV. You can see the split headlights design, so the daytime running LEDs are here. These are flickering of course just on the camera, and then the main units down there. The grille is very large and very pronounced, giving it strong appearance on the road. And you see also that we have the chrome line going all the way from one side to another, emphasizing the width of the car. Now from this angle, just look how impressive does this look. People are asking you all the time, what is this car? It looks so good on the road, and yeah, definitely an eye catcher. So tell me in the comments, how do you like the design? Now it is the sporty SUV, 4 meters 56.5 centimeters is the length of the car. This is the side profile, very nice pronounced lines, beautiful taillights and the wheels. And underneath this lovely bonnet there is a 1.5 liter Mitsubishi engine, so the 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol, and it is paired with the 7 DCT, so the dual clutch transmission from Magna Steyr, the Austrian company. Very good combination. And stay tuned for the point of view drive, where we will focus on the driving aspect. But now let me show you the rest of the car. So the wheels 235/55 R19, the satin black finish on these, and they look very nice, giving it a sporty look for the car in my opinion. Tinted windows at the rear, and now look at it from this angle. I mean, just look at this, the 4 exhaust pipes, very aggressive looking bumper. Then you also have very pronounced shoulders and the connected taillights, emphasizing the width of the car and really giving it strong appearance on the road. And so does this roof spoiler. I mean, this is really good. Tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts on the design? And we can open the tailgate with a touch of a button. So there we go. 480 liters, up to 1480 when you fold the seats. And also here you have some tools, and underneath this you have the spare tire, so it is the 17-inch one. Now this is the view on the front, and you can press this to close the tailgate. You can also do it with the key. So now from this angle. And by the way, in Croatia we have the exclusive equipment line, so this is the exclusive model, and you can then choose between different colors, but you get the car like this. So all the things that you see here come with this package, so that is really impressive. And now I think it's time that we check out the interior of the car. There we go. And look at this, for example, the nice materials here, and then this is divided into 2 sections. Nice red stitching, and this is the view that you have on the dashboard. So the dual 10.25-inch screens and the lovely seats. They also have the massage, which is very good. So here we start with the wider view. The steering wheel with the Forthing lettering and some physical buttons, digital cockpit, and the main touchscreen is the 10.25-inch one as well. And lovely layout of the dashboard. Here during the night you will see the ambient lights, so stay tuned for the night point of view test drive. And yeah, well, let me change the view and show you more details. And this is the digital cockpit, quite a nice view here with the revs and the speedometer. And this is the only available view, so you don't have different views. I think that would be cool, but also this one is quite cool as well. The main touchscreen is the 10.25-inch one. I will go through the details in a moment. Here is where you can put a phone holder and then put your phone in here if you wish. And I quite like the design of the air vents, look at them. And then here are the hazard lights. These are the controls for the AC, so it's nice to have it on the buttons. So you see here is where you would adjust the air blower, and then this is for the temperature, so very easy to use it. And then here you can press those for various functions, as you can see here. Now if I press this, we are greeted with the USB port and the storage area. This is the gear selector for the 7-speed DCT dual clutch transmission, and drive mode selector is located right next to the gear levers. So you have sport, eco and normal. So those are the drive modes. Adjustable cup holders. Here is the storage compartment, and as you can see, it is a cooled one, so that's always nice, especially for example for road trips. You can cool your drinks down. And yeah, here you have the glove compartment, really decent amount of room. And now the infotainment system. So let's start with settings, as here you can adjust pretty much all the things. So the screen brightness, day and night mode. So the night mode would just be a little less brightness. Yeah, you have also the time format, language setting, and here are the connections. Then vehicle settings. So this is what you can adjust. And steering mode, normal, comfort or sport. And steering wheel button function customizations. This one here, so you can have it as a standby, mute or photo shooting. And then if you go to system, you can do the factory data reset. And yeah, sound. You can adjust it here, and sound regulation can also be adjusted. You have some presets depending on the type of music that you like. And yeah, well, those are the settings. Then phone link. If you want to connect your phone, you need to download the app. So when you download the app, then you can use, for example, the navigation from your phone here on the screen, and then the telephone, Bluetooth connection and multimedia, if you have USB with your music, for example, and then this is the radio. So the infotainment system is easy to use, and yeah, you have pretty much all the things that you need here. And once again, if you want to pair your phone, you do need to download the app, and then you can do it. And let me show you the sunroof. So open it and enjoy this beautiful day. So that's really nice, enlarged sunroof. And now you can close it. You can also close the roller. So we do it here. There we go. You can also open it, of course. There we go. And now it is time to check out the rear bench. 2 meters 75.1 centimeter is the length of the wheelbase, and now let me show you just how much space we have at the rear. This is really impressive. A nice angle of opening for the doors, and a similar pattern here, just like on the front with the red stitching, and the door pocket, which is of course smaller, but it's also divided into 2 sections. And now without further ado, let's jump on board. And as you can see, still plenty of room left. You also have some convenient features like those hooks here, or the pocket on the driver's seat here on the side. You can also change the position of this seat with the buttons that you have here. We have the air vents, and here you see the USB port, some storage room, and also here as well. And then here in the middle, the cup holders, and I can also show you the view on the front. And this is the lovely panoramic sunroof. And this is really impressive because look at the amount of room that I still have for my head. I'm 1.87 meters. Now for my knees, I also have plenty of room. And the best part is that this seat is adjusted to my driving position. So big thumb up from me. Time to talk about the powertrain and the specifications. So as I already mentioned, this is the 1.5 liter petrol engine, turbocharged Mitsubishi engine, and it's got 177 horsepower and 260 Newton meters of torque. It is paired with the 7 DCT dual clutch transmission from Magna Steyr, so the Austrian company. And yeah, overall great combination. and stay tuned for the point of view drive. And here in Croatia you have it with the exclusive trim package, so basically you get all this and then you just need to decide which color do you like. And if you need to refill the fluid, washer fluid, this is where you do it. So you need to pull this out and then put it back again once you've done that. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe. We are now going on a point of view drive. Stay tuned for that and see you on the next one. Bye bye.